Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you top 5 best features of INFINIX Note 40 Pro. The first one is Smart Panel. How you can see, there is a little bar on the side of your screen. You can slide it from the side and open a selected app from the drawer. Now you can move the window or resize it to floating window, mini window or full screen, and you can put it whatever you want on the screen and continue to use your device and the selected app. The next feature I want to show you is Fusion, which will allow you to increase RAM space for faster performance. Open Settings, then go down to Special Function. Press on Fusion, and now you can increase your virtual RAM by adding some space from your internal storage. Let's press on Fusion to toggle it on and choose by how much we want to increase the RAM space. I will set it to 9 GB and press on Activate and Restart. Now let's wait for the phone to restart. And now let's unlock our phone, and the storage has been increased. We can check it in Settings, go down to Special Function, Fusion, and how you can see, our current RAM space is 12 plus 9 GB. And the next feature I want to show you is Xclone. It's also in a Special Function tab. So we just have to press on Xclone and now select an app which we want to clone, so we have the same two exact apps with different accounts logged in at the same time. Let's choose Instagram, and the clone app has been added to home screen. How you can see, we have two Instagram apps, and I have also two Facebook apps which I have cloned earlier, and I can log on two different accounts on these apps. The next thing I want to show you is music gesture. Let's enter Settings, Spatial Function, go down to Actions and Gestures, and press on Music Gesture. Now you can toggle it off or on, and when it's toggled on, you can manage your music playback on locked screen by swiping to the left to play previous track, to the right to play next track, swipe up to stop music, and swipe down to play music. And the last feature I want to show you is gesture navigation. Let's type in gesture navigation, and now we can choose either 3-button navigation on the bottom or gesture navigation Now, to enter home screen, slide down from the bottom. To go back, slide from the right or left. And to enter recently opened apps, slide to the half of the screen. And now you can access all the recently opened apps. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.